Welcome to Odoo channel, guys. Your own channel. So this is the part 2 of the same project, meetings project, where we have already created a meetings page, and now in this video we are going to create a new page which will be called completed meetings, and for that purpose we will be creating a new model in the same way we have created for meetings. So let's just jump in there. So I'm not creating a new file. I will just going to create another model in the same file. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm just copying and pasting already created. So let's make this class name project meetings completed, and we will call this name, this model name is, I would say, task and completion, and then I would say record, and here we call description completed meetings. Okay, that's good. Then first will be the name. We say this will be the meeting name. It's fine. Task ID many to one. Yeah, that also will remain there. I would say don't need to project ID. Okay, because already this page is already on project, so we really don't need this. So let's remove that. Then scheduled meeting date is fields dot. Okay, yeah, that's, we also carry over this one. Actual meeting date, fine. We don't need this completed field because already this is on the meeting there, meetings page there. Active, we don't need this one either. So one more field, I would say partner ID. We can add this fields dot many to one, and as you know, it will be res partner. And here we will call it partner, or anything, or just partner is fine. Okay, you can change it according to your how you want it. So yeah, so this table has been created. Let's go in security file as well. Just copy this and I would paste it, and here access task completion and record. So just copy and paste it here. I will just put a dot here, and here as well. So here we don't need access here. Model task completion record, yes, that's fine. Base use. Okay, so this is a security file. Now we go in task again, and let's copy this XPath again here, and here instead of last, we just copy this here. I explain it to you that what I have done. So here, because already meetings page is there, so we say that do it meetings page after. Yeah, that's fine. This meeting name will be meetings underscore completed, and here in string we say completed meetings. The one to many field we need to create. So in project or task we say completed meetings IDs, right guys, and we fields one too many. same model will be, we have created a new model which will be task completion record, and we also create it with task underscore id, and string we call it completed right. So string will be completed meeting. So this is one to many, because yeah, for one to many you already know that we need to add another field which is in this model which we have created. Already task id is there, which is a many to one field. So this is our XML file. Let's restart our service, and I'm just going to upgrade this module. Okay, this is the custom module I'm upgrading. Sorry guys for this time, my system, I guess it's not the quickest. Okay, so here we have successfully upgraded our system. If we go in project again here, and if we go in my tasks and I click on any task, so here if you see another page has been there created. So meetings and completed meetings. So if you see in meeting, so this is not read only, which I will do. I will just make it read only. So what we need to do, if I go in XML file, so in completed meetings we can say read only is 1. We don't want to change these fields, so automatically it should be carryover from meetings, and we don't want to change that. So we cannot do manually complete or add any record. Sorry, I think yeah, this is wrong. I have just added on the wrong page. So okay, we need to do it. Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry. I did it right. Okay guys, so okay, this second part has already been completed. So we have created 2 pages now. So let's go to the third and final part. Okay guys, I did some mistake in XML file. So here because I copy pasted from here to here, so I didn't change the field name. So now I have changed to completed meetings ID, which is our field, one to many field here on project or task. And then the second field, name, task ID, all these fields we don't need completed here, and we will add partner ID. So these are the fields we will add. Okay guys, so yeah, so we have created 2 pages now. So one is meetings and second is completed meetings. So now what we will do, that we need to add a functionality that when we will create a meeting, and if we will click on completed boolean field or just check that field, then automatically that record will be archived and then will move into the completed meetings. So for that we just need to add some code snippet, and I just tell you what that code will do. So basically we need to override a write function. So we don't want to do it on create function. We want to do it on write function. What it means really that write function is that editing, when we are doing edit, um, when we are editing a record set. Let's suppose we will create a meeting here and we save it. After that, when we will edit it and check the completed field, then that write function will work. So we need to add a logic in that function. So let's do that, and we will do it on meetings model, because all the operation is handling here. So what we need to do is, so we just need to override write function. So for that, as you already know, I have already told you or shown in my videos how to override write functions. So this is so we are overriding write function, and these are the parameters self and vols, and then we say res super, and we need to give our class name here, which is project.task here. Oh, sorry, we need to do it in meetings, sorry, not in the task. Okay, and this is our class name. I've explained it to you what I'm doing. Okay. This snippet of code which I'm going to write, method of the project meetings model, and this method is one of the ORM, object relational mapping methods provided by Odoo, and is called when an existing record is being updated. As I told you already, we will create a new record and then we will update that. The super call at the start, super project meetings comma self dot write vols, is invoking the write method from the parent class. The parent class, the original definition of the write method in the Odoo framework. This updates the record in the database. The vols parameter contains the values that are being updated. Right, guys? And next we have a conditional check. So what we are going to do here, we say that if completed that boolean field involves, and we can also add another one, combined condition, and we say okay. So it means that if that will be checked, then what we are going to do, so we say if completed involves and vols completed, it checks if the completed field is being updated, and if its new value is true, in simpler terms, it's checking if the meeting is being marked as completed. That's it. And then inside this conditional block, we have a loop for record itself that iterates over each record that is being updated. Here self refers to the record or records that the method was called on. After that, we need to create a dictionary to carry over. We say completion vols here, and we start with name first, and this will be record dot name. The next one will be I would say task ID, and that will be record dot task underscore ID dot ID. The third one will be carryover scheduled meeting date. Okay, record.id, sorry. And then actual meeting date as well. We also want to carry over. And the last, we do partner ID, and this will be record dot partner underscore ID dot ID. All right. So we have created a dictionary where all these keys and values are there, and then we say self.env, because here we are going to create a new record in our new created model, which will be this one, task underscore completion record. So we paste that here. We want to create this record, and we say create, and what we want to create, the newly built dictionary. That's it. It's so simple. That's it. And after that, once we do that, we also want record.active. This is why I created that field. So we call it false. Simple. That's it, guys. How cool is it? So this is it. Let me just explain it to you. So for each record being updated, a dictionary completion walls is created. This dictionary contains the data that will be used to create a new record in the task completion record model, and this new record will reflect the completed meetings. This dictionary takes data from the meeting that is being completed, the name, task ID, dates, and the associated partner. Then we have the line self.env task completion record underscore dot create completion walls in bracket. This creates a new record in the task completion record model using the data in the completion walls dictionary. So finally, record.active is false sets the active field of the meeting record to false. This effectively archives the meeting record in Odoo, making it invisible in most views. So in short, this method, when a meeting is marked as completed, creates a corresponding record in the completed meetings page and archives the meeting record from the meetings page. So this is a neat piece of functionality which maintains a clean separation between ongoing and completed meetings, helping to streamline the management of meetings in your project, guys. So let's restart my service, Odoo service here, and upgrade our module. I hope I will keep record of not having errors today in these two videos. So let's click on apps, go on our custom module, and then upgrade it. Okay, yeah, we have we have kept our record, no errors. So if I go in project, in tasks, and if we go in our task, and then first we go in meetings, what I'm going to do, I just add a meeting. I call it meeting 1. This is the task, this is the project, this is a scheduled date, this is actual date, and I save it. Then I'm going to create another record which is meeting 2, and schedule date is this, actual date is this, and save it. And one more, we call it meeting 3, and this is actual date. We save all these records. Okay, guys, so if you go in completed meetings, we have got nothing, but in meetings we have got 3 meetings. So what I do, I'm just going to complete meeting 1 and meeting 3, and we are going to save it. Oh, we are getting error. Let's check this. Super argument 1 must be type, not string. So let me just look at it, or let me just try with 1. Okay, I know this what it is. Let me just show you. So let's go. I know what is the mistake. So guys, if in this function we have not returned res, so we need to do that definitely. So let's restart again. Okay, so at the moment we have got 3 records in our meetings. That was the biggest mistake. So when you're overriding a write function or create function or any odoo built-in functions, you definitely need to return res. Okay, let me just go in tasks, discard changes, go back in task again. Okay, and meeting 1 we just completed, save it. Wow. Okay, what is the error? Super must be not strength, the same error it is having. Let me just check. Okay guys, that was some indentation error. So this return res was not on the right place. So yeah, this is a code. I have already explained it. So let's restart our service again. And what I'm going to do, I just go in my tasks, and instead of already using, let me just create a new task. So there will be more visibility for you guys as well. So let's just check our code, how it's responding. So new task, best project is this one, customer. Okay, just choose whatever we like, and okay, we save this project, sorry, task, and then we go in our meetings and then create a meeting. We say meeting 1, meeting 2, and meeting 3. Okay, we save these meetings, and now we come after some time and we say that okay, meeting 2 has been completed, and we save it. Voila. So meeting 1 and meeting 3 are there, meeting 2 is gone. So if we go in our completed meetings, we can see meeting 2 is there. So it has carried over meeting name, task ID, which is the second in our dictionary, then scheduled meeting date, actual meeting date, and the partner ID as well. So if we go in our meetings and we say that meeting 1 and meeting 3, so we are so good today, we have completed these meetings today, and let's save these both meetings. Voila. Isn't it cool, guys? So all the meetings have been shifted from there to here, and please make sure this is not deletion. We are not deleting these records, we are actually archiving these records, because we have set in our code, we say record.active is equal to false. Guys, I hope you really like this video. I really love this task, and how we are maneuvering from meetings to completed meetings phase. It's not very, I'm not talking about very basic stuff. It's really cool stuff, and it will help you in your day-to-day operations and also help you to understand all the basics as well. I have tried my best to just elaborate and explain you in very simpler way, not just writing the code and just copying and pasting the code. I've just wrote each and everything in front of you. Guys, I hope you like this, and if you like it, please share it with your friends, subscribe my channel, and yeah, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Ta-ra.